Your first year on a motorcycle will change you forever. You'll learn courage, patience, humility, and pain. I made nearly every rookie mistake possible, stalling at green lights, dropping my bike in front of a crowd, even almost crashing because of pride. Here are 40 hard lessons I learned the long, painful way. 1. Thinking gear was optional. In my first month, I thought gear was just for pros. I wore jeans and sneakers because I wanted to feel free. Then I scraped my knee after a slow slide at a stop sign. Lesson learned. Gear isn't about speed, it's about survival. Dress for the slide, not the ride. 2. Buying too much bike too soon. I wanted a big engine. I thought a 1000cc sport bike would make me a real rider. Instead, it terrified me. I could barely control it. Starting smaller builds skill, not ego. A 300cc will teach you everything before you ever need a liter bike. 3. Ignoring the clutch. I stalled everywhere. Gas stations, intersections, even in front of a cafe full of people. My mistake? Treating the clutch like a car. Motorcycles need finesse. Once I learned to feather it, I stopped fighting the bike and started feeling it. The clutch is communication, not control. 4. Looking down instead of ahead. I used to stare at the road right under my front wheel, terrified of every bump, but the bike follows your eyes. Once I started looking through turns instead of down at them, everything clicked. Confidence isn't just balance, it's vision. 5. Forgetting that cars don't see you. You can wear neon gear, flash your high beam, or rev your engine. Most drivers still won't notice you. I assumed visibility meant safety. Wrong. I learned to ride like I was invisible. That's not fear, it's awareness. 6. Riding angry or distracted. After bad days, I'd hop on the bike to clear my head. Big mistake. My reaction time was slow. My focus, gone. Riding demands total presence. Never ride when you're emotional. You'll make emotional mistakes. 7. Neglecting tire pressure. I never checked tire pressure until I lost traction mid-turn. Even 5 psi off can ruin handling. Now, I keep a gauge in my bag. It takes 30 seconds to check. It could save your life. 8. Leaving turn signals on. It's embarrassing and dangerous. I almost got T-boned because a driver thought I was turning. Modern bikes have self-canceling signals for a reason. If yours doesn't, build the habit. Check every few seconds. Number 9. Riding beyond my skill. On group rides, I tried keeping up with faster riders. Pride almost killed me. I braked too late, missed a line, and almost hit a guardrail. Ride your pace, not theirs. You're not slow, you're learning. Number 10. Not knowing how to brake. I used to stomp the rear brake and hope for the best. Wrong move. Proper braking is an art. Smooth, steady pressure on the front does most of the work. Panic braking is what causes crashes, not prevents them. 11. Skipping maintenance. I thought maintenance was optional until my chain snapped mid-ride. Now, I check oil, brakes, and tire condition weekly. A neglected bike is a ticking time bomb. 12. Forgetting counter steering. I learned like a gymnast and still couldn't turn properly. Then someone said, push right, go right. Counter steering changed everything. Riding stopped feeling like wrestling and started feeling like flying. 13. Ignoring weather reports. I thought I could handle drizzle. Then a sudden downpour turned my ride into a skating rink. Wet roads, painted lines, and oil patches are deadly. Now, if there's rain on the radar, I wait. 14. Underestimating wind. My first highway ride was a nightmare. I was upright, rigid, fighting the wind. Wrong again. Tuck in, relax, grip the tank. The wind isn't your enemy if you flow with it. 15. Overconfidence after one good week. After a few smooth rides, I felt invincible. I started speeding, taking corners harder, skipping checks. A close call with a truck humbled me. Confidence without respect is arrogance, and motorcycles punish arrogance brutally. 16. Ignoring road surface. That innocent-looking patch of gravel nearly took me down. I learned to scan constantly. Paint, sand, oil, water all affect traction. Smooth throttle, light hands, and respect for physics will keep you upright. 17. Taking a passenger too early. I thought riding too up would be fun. Instead, I wobbled, panicked, and dropped the bike at a stoplight. A passenger changes balance and braking completely. Master solo control before you ever invite someone aboard. 18. Sitting wrong. I used to slouch or grip the bars too tight. My wrists hurt. My back ached. My control suffered. The correct posture, knees gripping the tank, relaxed shoulders, elbows bent, turns chaos into control. 19. Forgetting lane position. The center of the lane is a trap. Oil, nails, debris. I used to ride there all the time. Now I ride left for visibility, right for space, and switch based on traffic flow. You're small. Your position makes you sane. 20. Ignoring mirrors. I rode for weeks without using my mirrors. Then, one day, a car tailgated me so close I could see their license plate bolts. Now, I check every 5 seconds. Mirrors aren't vanity, they're radar. 21. Neglecting hydration. I underestimated how exhausting long rides are. Dehydration makes you dizzy and slow. Now, I carry water and rest every hour. You're not a machine. Treat your body like part of the bike. It needs maintenance too. 22. Riding on empty. I pushed my luck once too often and ran out of gas on a highway shoulder. Never again. Know your range. Reset your trip meter and refuel early. Walking with a helmet in 90-degree heat is misery you'll never forget. 23. Not practicing emergency maneuvers. I used to think I'll react fine when it happens. That's a fantasy. When danger hits, instinct rules, and instinct only comes from repetition. Parking lot drills saved me later when a car cut across my lane. Practice like your life depends on it, because it does. 24. Forgetting to scan intersections. Intersections are danger zones. I used to roll through yellow lights and trust others to stop. That ended the day a driver ran a red. Now I slow, cover the brakes, and assume the worst. It's not fear, it's foresight. Listening to bad advice. Some riders told me you don't need gear, or lean more, brake less. Everyone's a self-proclaimed expert. The truth, learn from certified instructors, not loud opinions. Street wisdom can get you hurt if it's wrong. 26. Failing to inspect after every ride. After one long trip, I parked the bike and forgot about it. Next ride, a loose bolt almost caused a wobble. Now I inspect before and after rides. Vibrations loosen things you won't notice until they fail. 27. Riding in the center of trucks' blind spots. I once rode right beside a semi, thinking the driver could see me. He couldn't. He changed lanes and I had nowhere to go. Now, I either pass quickly or hang back. Never ride where you can't see the driver's mirrors. 28. Ignoring the mental game. Motorcycling is as much mental as mechanical. Fear, overthinking, hesitation, those will crash you faster than speed. I used to flinch mid-turn because of doubt. Once I trusted my inputs, the fear faded. Confidence grows through experience, not ego. 29. Riding without a plan. I'd hop on and ride aimlessly. Fun, yes, but dangerous when lost or tired. Planning routes, rest stops, and fuel breaks keeps you calm. Spontaneity is fine, but control keeps you alive. 30. Parking on a slope without thinking. I once parked facing downhill. When I tried to leave, the bike rolled forward and tipped. Always park uphill in gear, on solid ground. Gravity doesn't forgive rookie mistakes. 31. Skipping the MSF or safety course. I thought YouTube was enough. Then I took an actual motorcycle safety foundation course and realized how much I didn't know. Cornering, braking, posture, all transformed. Training isn't optional, it's your foundation. 32. Forgetting to practice slow speed control. Everyone wants to go fast, but true skill shows in parking lots. I used to wobble like a drunk snail at low speeds. Tight circles and figure eights made me confident everywhere else. Master slow and fast follows. 33. Ignoring body position. I sat stiff as a statue, arms locked. My handling was garbage. Once I learned to relax, shift my weight, and grip the tank with my knees, cornering became natural. Your body is the steering. 34. Riding with loose straps or gear. One day, my backpack strap got caught near the rear wheel. Terrifying. Always secure every strap, zipper, or cord. A loose hoodie string can become a hazard at 60 miles per hour. 35. Forgetting to cover the clutch. Covering the clutch isn't just a racing move, it's reaction insurance. Keeping 2 fingers ready lets you react instantly to danger. Half a second can mean the difference between braking and crashing. 36. Riding in blind curves too fast. I used to enter blind corners too hot, assuming I'd see the exit. Once, I found a tractor waiting. Always slow before you see what's ahead. Curves are promises you haven't read yet. 37. Ignoring suspension settings. I never touched my suspension until a mechanic showed me how off it was. Preloading, damping, rebound, small tweaks make huge differences. A properly set suspension feels like confidence on wheels. 38. Forgetting to check fuel before long rides. You'd think this one's obvious until you're stranded miles from anywhere with an empty tank. I learned to always reset my trip meter and know my range. Pride doesn't fill gas tanks. 39. Not wearing ear protection. Wind noise at 70 miles per hour sounds harmless, but it's over 100 decibels, enough to cause hearing loss. Earplugs changed my rides completely. Less fatigue, more focus. Protect your hearing early. 40. Thinking that won't happen to me. Every rider believes they're the exception, until something happens. The truth is, riding is risk management, not denial. Respect the danger, that's what keeps you alive long enough to love the ride. Every scar, stall, and near miss taught me something school never could. Riding is freedom, but it's also responsibility. You can't fake skill, and you can't rush confidence. I used to see seasoned riders and wonder how they made it look so effortless. Now I know it's not talent. It's patience, humility, and hundreds of invisible mistakes they survived and learned from. Your first year will humble you. You'll drop your bike. You'll get frustrated. You'll question if you're cut out for it. But if you treat every mistake as a lesson, not a failure, you'll emerge sharper, calmer, and infinitely more in tune with the road. And one day, you'll look back at your rookie self, sweaty palms, shaky starts, terrified heart, and smile. Because that was the version of you brave enough to start.